Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. Today, let us learn a new poem. What is the new poem? Dragon Feast. What do you mean by dragon? Dragon is a big animal with wings and it breathes fire. Do you understand? Dragon is a very big animal with wings and it breathes fire. It's a very big जानवर. So let us start the poem. Put the fingers under the line. If you want to feed a dragon, start with something hot. What do you mean by hot? Spicy. What do you mean by spicy? मसाला से बनाया हुआ चीज़ को स्पाइसी कहता है. Spicy prawns in vindaloo. What do you mean vindaloo? Spicy gone curry is also kind of fish curry only. The fiercest that you have got. Fiercest means spiciest. Again it comes spiciest. Spiciest माने गरम मसाला से बनाया वाला चीज़ को spiciest कहता है. They all kinds of fiery food. Fiery also very spicy. तो ड्रैगन को क्या पसंद है? ड्रैगन को हमेशा गरम मसाले से बनाया हुआ चीज़ पसंद है. फिश करी पसंद है. They like all kinds of fiery food. Red hot chilies, लाल चिली से बनाया हुआ. Pickle limes, sausages. Sausages also a kind of food. In mustard, peppered crab. Crab माने केकड़ा. Do you know, have you heard about केकड़ा? केकड़ा is also ड्रैगन को बहुत पसंद है. वो कैसे बनाने वाला चीज़ है? वो गरम मसाला से बनाया वाला चीज़. With toast burned 14 times. Toast पसंद है. Follow this with deep fried mango. Deep fried mango also ड्रैगन को अच्छा लगता है. In a burnt vinegar sauce, उसमें vinegar sauce also डालते हैं. And some of the very strongest mints to finish with, of course. Okay, this is, and did you understand the poem? This is a poem. We are talking about the dragon. So what is the dragon? Dragon is a very big animal with wings and it breathes fire. तो क्या चीज़ ड्रैगन को पसंद है? ड्रैगन को मसाला से बनाया हुआ सभी चीज़ पसंद है. वो रेड चिल्ली से, सॉस से, सब चीज़ ड्रैगन को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Now we can learn some new words. Which are the new words? Hot. What do you mean by hot? Here, spicy. Vindaloo. What is vindaloo? Spicy gone curry. Fiercest, spiciest. Fiery, very spicy. Understand the poem. See, complete these sentences about the poem. See, if you want to feed a dragon, give them hot spicy food because dragons like. What do dragon likes? Dragons like all kinds of fiery food. Dragons like all kinds of spicy food. मसाले से बनाए वाला food अच्छा लगता है. Dragons like to finish their meal. Some of the very strongest mints. Strongest means is kind of plants only. Now, what do dragon like? Match the column. Spicy prawns. What is that? In Vindaloo. Red hot chilies. Pickled limes. Sausages in mustard. Peppered crab. Deep fried mango. Find words in the poem that rhymes with these words. Hot, got. Limes, times. Sauce, course. Hot, got. Limes, times. Source, horse. Work with partner. Write a word of your choice to rhyme with these words. Toast, boast, crave, grave, mince, hints. Okay, students, did you understand that dragon? Dragon is a big animal with wings and it breathes fire. It says very simple poem only. You can learn the new words and some exercises are in the behind that also you can learn. Okay, student, bye.